In this short video, I wanted to show you how you can use Google Earth to be able to measure things like size of your garden beds or lawn or property or anything you need to get measured. Sometimes there's a need to figure out how many square feet you have on a lawn or something like that. So this is a program that we can use to find that information out. So I'm using Google Earth Pro. You can get this for free on Google. If you just type Google Earth onto Google's website, it will take you to the right page. Just make sure you download the Pro version because that has all the features and the price is the same. So to be able to measure anything you want to as far as your property is concerned, you can use this program and you just scroll in to the location you're interested in. So the easiest way would be to do a search for the location, but I kind of know where we live, so we're down in here. So if I click on it, I'll get zoomed in. So we'll just measure a couple properties in Bishop to show you how to do this. So we'll go out here and toward McLaren and stuff. They've got all sorts of strange shaped parcels and interesting yards. So this is a good opportunity to figure out how to measure something. So let's measure this yard right here. By clicking on it, I can zoom in and get yourself zoomed in pretty close. Using this tool here, I can move around the angle. I like to have it straight up, but it doesn't really matter. It works fine either way. So what you do to measure something, it's really simple. If you look at the toolbar across the top of the screen, there's a ruler right here. And if you click on the ruler, it's going to pop up and you have a choice between a line, a path, a polygon, a circle, and a couple other things. What you want to do is you want to choose polygon, and then make sure that you're measuring in units that you like. So sometimes when you start, it's going to have things like kilometers. I don't think we want to measure our yard in kilometers. So I do the perimeter in feet, and I make sure that the area is in square feet, because most of our recommendations for yard stuff is going to be in thousands of square feet. So to measure this, I'm just going to get this little square box right here. I'm going to click on one corner of it. I just keep clicking along the perimeter of it like this. And now I know that this area that I've enclosed is 4,113 square feet. So now I could calculate how much fertilizer I would need. So if I had a fertilizer recommendation for 1 pound per 1,000 square feet, and I was using a product that required me using 4 pounds of that per 1,000 square feet, I then know that I need about 16 pounds over this whole area. So that's all there is to measuring it. When you finish, you can hit clear and do another spot if you want, or you can close this out and then scroll somewhere else. So quickly I'll just show you another location. We can use this on ponds. You want to know how big a pond is? We can use our ruler, get the polygon out. We can click around the outside of the polygon here. So we know that this pond is about 450 square feet. Really useful to be able to measure yards, and it's a whole lot better than trying to use a tape measure or some tool like that. And remember, there's other cool things that you can do with this measurement too. So we can measure things like how far away is your house from the street. We can do line, click on the road, and we're 46 feet away from the road. So anything you want to measure, go ahead and use this tool. Just remember to use the polygon version of it when you go onto the measurement, and make sure that you've got units that you know how to use and not square miles. And that's all it is. You can measure just about anything you need this way. Hopefully you find that helpful. Bye.